Hi, it has come to our attention that not everybody properly understands social media language. So Aaron and I are going to give a quick tutorial. So, if you post a picture of yourself eating dinner in an upscale restaurant, what would you say?
Living my best life.
And yes is no longer adequate. Now we say,
Yes.
if you're female and you're working, you are,
Boss babe.
or,
Hashtag boss lady.
if someone posts something funny, you could say,
I'm dying.
if you want to sell something,
Fire emojis everywhere.
a friend posts a cute picture of their kid eating cake with their hands,
I can't even.
or,
I literally can't even.
we don't say every day, we now say,
Day.
and finally, you really like something, you would say,
I'm completely obsessed.
well, we hope you learned something today.
And we hope you practice day.
Yes.